সাবমিট কৰো হেইটোৰ ওপৰতে ইভালুৱেচনটো হয় আপুনি হেইটোৱে মই ক'বলৈ বিচাৰিছিলো স্যাৰ গাইডৰ তাত যাতে এভৰিথিং Yes, sir. No, sir. We should also have our outputs and results also. But that has been lost for so many days. और सर अगर तब अपना डेडलाइन को माने एग्जाम और डेडलाइन एग्जाम्स का डेडलाइन इंटर्न शेड्यूल का डेडलाइन सर डेडलाइन व्हाट विल बी द डेडलाइन when will our intern exams conclude
so that will be some of the best you will look into the plan really
yes sir because we have our competitive exams also there
I know
yeah
so even if you miss
ये एग्जाम रहता है तो जनवरी तो होगा ऐसे डायरेक्टली कोई
no sir then next year
আমার জন্য ল্যাব এক্সাম আসলে একটু জানুয়ারিতে হবে না এটা ল্যাব এক্সাম
may I just
আনিশা করলে শুনতে জানুয়ারিতে
after this discussion the exam scheduled on 8 will be on 11th now exam which are notified for 9th will be on 12th exam scheduled on 10th will be on 13th and as notified earlier the department specific program for the courses will be prepared and notified by the department which will come out from my office within maybe 1 or 2 hours this notification will come out so all those activity at department level will be considered by the department concerned for scheduling your exams looking into your convenience into the internship or going for project all those things only in the better interest I notify the schedule for the common courses which are earlier scheduled for 8, 9 and 10 will be referred to 11, 12 and 13 respectively.
Sir, we have integrated program where 4 departments come together. So for that, we can't prepare anything.
No, but earlier common courses were notified and nobody has any problem.
No, not common courses, but integrated programs like BSc, B.Ed program, for which education, chemistry, physics, mathematics, they come together. So if departments individually will prepare, it will be too difficult.
Sir, what
No, what did you do earlier? When I notified this schedule, you did not have all those issues.
No, that is there, but right now, as you are saying, that has to be done independently by the department.
No, that was said in the earlier notification as well. It was here. You will coordinate with your concerned or allied department. Okay. So otherwise what will happen? It will get again problem for all other departments or other courses.